What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are down at the farm. Just got done with a customer's truck. It's a 2007 Ford F-150. Just a, base looking F-150. He wanted to kind of spice it up a little bit. He's got wheels and tires on it. He's got exhaust. It had rocker rust on it, so I kind of shut out the idea. Why don't we do kind of like a Ford Raptor type look to it? So that's what we did. That's excuse me, that's what I've been working on this past week. And then I took Saturday off to go to the 4x4 Jamboree, which that video is up. Go check it out. Sorry for the wind. But I'm going to show you the truck. There's a few before and after pictures I'll throw in so you guys can see it. But here's basically what it looks like. Let me throw those pictures in real quick, and then I'll bring you guys back and show you exactly what it looks like. Here's the truck, guys. We decided to go with a Ford Raptor grill, the ones that say Ford across it. It does have the LEDs in it like the actual Ford Raptor grill. They actually work. They're not just for look, they do work. We did the Ford Raptor style fender flares, like the pocket style where they have like the rivets in it. I have to wash it yet. I just want to kind of make a quick video because I got to get to cleaning the shop. But no, we did the fender flares, and then on the bottom down here we did Raptor liner. I love this stuff. It just helps against rock chips and everything. Like I said, we replaced cab corner, took the bed off, coated the frame. Well, you guys will be able to see it up in there, but it's all coated. I do have to get it washed, like I said. He's got an F-150 grill on the way, but it is obviously not here. So once it comes in, we'll be putting that on. But the truck looks great. It turned out real good. I have to, like I said, I need to wash it. It's been in the shop all week, so it's a little dusty. But I just want to show you what I've been working on. So I got to get it washed up, and then I believe he's coming tonight to grab it. So we'll try and get his reaction to see exactly how well he likes and stuff like that. But he may not want to be on camera, so I'll just have to ask. But anyway, guys, enough talking. I'm going to jump into a time lapse. We're going to get the shop cleaned up, so hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, we are in the shop. As you can tell, it is a little bit dirty. We have rust and stuff. We have boxes. We have extension cords everywhere. So I'm just going to try and get all this cleaned up for you guys real quick. I'm going to throw it on a time lapse. I have to pick up stuff there. I got a rag. Everything's got to be picked up. I want to make it look presentable again. I have body filler and truck bed lining, and the trash needs to go out. So here we go into the time lapse.
Ryan Little.
And bam guys, just like that, it's clean. Got this box full of trash here. Still need to kind of pick up over here a little bit, put my filler up and the activator and different stuff like that, but it's a lot better than what it was. I don't have all that crap all over the floor. I got my tools all organized again, got the welder back on the bottom of the cart. So I think we're gonna run back to my deer blind now. My grandma and grandpa gave me some apple peels because they're making applesauce. We're gonna stick those out the deer blind, and hopefully we get something. We checked it the other day when we had some coyotes, had a couple picture of some does, and then we had a fat raccoon on there. So we're gonna run back and do that real quick. This is just gonna be kind of a pointless vlog. I don't know. I didn't have anything else to do. Obviously, I showed you guys the Ford over there. We got the shop all cleaned up, so now we're gonna head back there, and I'll catch you when we get back there. So we're back at the blind. Here's the apple peel. This is just about half of them. They have more up there for me, but I got some of this Buck Jam apple flavored stuff that I'm gonna probably pour on it. My girlfriend's behind the camera, so I'm gonna show you basically what we got going on over here. I have a salt block up here. I moved my trail camera. It's over there on the post. So I'm probably gonna just dump these apples right in front of it and pour some of this Buck Jam on there, right next to this salt block over here. Hopefully we'll get something on camera. Like I said, we've had coyotes and raccoons and stuff, and a couple of deer. So, I mean, surely something will come and eat this. Pour a little bit of this on there. Put a little over here on the block. And then hopefully we'll get something on camera. I'll probably come out Wednesday and check it, give it a couple days. And then like I said, if I come out Wednesday and I notice there's something been eating on them, I'll probably throw the other apples on the pile and put a little bit more of the Buck Jam on there. So that's basically gonna be the video. I'm gonna try and get the guy's truck that I did, his reaction. Kind of like a Counts Customs type deal where they pull it out of the garage and stuff, but we got to get back, get it cleaned up. So stay tuned and I'll try and get his reaction.
Oh, we went on that date.
That's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome.
Well guys, I can at least say that he loved it. It turned out really good. That Raptor style grill up front where it actually says Ford. I know a lot of the ones you can get, they basically just have like circles or oval up there, and they just look, I'm not a fan of them. They just don't look good to me. That one that actually said Ford looked good. The lights worked, as you can tell in the video there. He liked the Raptor liner that we did across the bottom. I think he might end up going with the tinted headlights and taillights, just to kind of make it a little bit more aggressive looking from the front. But it definitely changed the look of the truck up a lot. I got before and after pictures. I'll toss them in the end of the video. But anyway guys, that was the video. Kind of just a random vlog. We looked at the truck, we cleaned the shop, we went back, checked trail camera and put out the apples and all that fun stuff. So anyway guys, remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. Stay tuned. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.